Urgent update for everyone involved in crypto. So the massive Bitcoin whale who made millions of dollars of profit by shorting Bitcoin, he has now closed this position. I will reveal whether he made a lot of profit or not. But more importantly, a few minutes ago, he started making massive moves and he is now accumulating two very important assets, guys, that you can also buy if you want, but I will go through everything here in this video because this massive Bitcoin whale is now putting millions of dollars into these two assets, and I need to talk with you about that. I'm also going to reveal, of course, what I see happening with the market right now, with altcoins, with my trading strategies, and everything else. So guys, very important video. Make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Okay, guys, before we get into what the massive Bitcoin whale is actually doing right now, and he is taking urgent action, just a quick reminder on the market right now. So for the market, we're mostly going sideways for Bitcoin. We're hitting my support level at $81,700. Now, one thing I will say is that we're still below the 200. So this is actually the 200-day moving average. I said in the past, the 50-day moving average. So it's the 200-day moving average. We are below it right now. We're squeezing in between these two levels right here. So we have resistance and then we have the big support. So let us see which one is going to break first. So this is very, very important, and the price action is going sideways mostly, but once we break one of these key levels, you can expect a significant move. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin right now. Nothing really has changed. I still believe that we are in a bull market and we are going to close, or we are going to peak at some point in 2026, probably mid to late 2026, and I stand by that. Now, if you look at Ethereum, nothing really interesting here. So sideways action here for Ethereum, Solana, sideways action after getting rejected off of my level here at 136. If you look at Doge, also sideways action after seeing a bounce. Cardano is going sideways. So most of these altcoins are just going sideways, and there's some kind of data error here on this exchange, but yeah, XRP being rejected of my $2.40 level as well. Total crypto market cap having a little bit of a bounce here and then slowly trying to grind upwards. But really in general, just sideways action from the entire market. It's like a wait and see. People are very fearful right now and people don't want to deploy money, which is understandable. So it's going to probably take a little while until we see those massive pumps come back into the market. And it is also very news driven. So it depends on what kind of news is going to be released. But overall, I still think we're in a good spot and that we are still going to reach very high prices in 2026. Now for traditional markets, this is very important. Traditional markets is right now on the futures market trying to break through my level at 5,731. So absolutely massive here. If we can break through this for traditional markets, that is going to bring a lot of confidence into the market back. But if we end up getting rejected here, then I'm expecting traditional markets to once again revisit 5,560. So also traditional markets seeing some sideways action right here the last week or so, going down and now going up, but ultimately being at this orange line here at 5,727. So for my trading strategies, nothing really to talk about here in particular. I'm still adding more short strategies here for everyone that want to hedge. So I know it's taking a lot of time, guys. I'm doing my best as fast as I can. I hope that it will be done by today, guys. So you can be on the lookout for that if you want to short altcoins as well. But in general, I believe that for quality altcoins like Ethereum, I know Ethereum has been going down so freaking hard, but there could be a reason to reevaluate the stance on Ethereum if you became very bearish recently. We'll talk more about that later on in this video. But yeah, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, XRP, and Bitcoin, I believe are going to be at higher prices in 2026. So we will see if that's going to be the case or not. Now, if you want to use my trading strategies yourself, go to the description of this video, go down here, and first you have the tutorials here, right here, if you want to watch them. And then you can sign up to Pionex and claim bonuses using this link first, claim the bonuses, and then you can copy my long strategies using these links, and you can copy my short strategies using these links right here. If you want to use a dynamic strategy where you have long and short exposure, you make money when we go up and down, make sure to watch all of these videos. Very important to watch these. Okay, so the market is pricing in a recession. So market is being very pessimistic right now, and that is pretty good. We want the market to be pessimistic. Today, there is going to be a meeting with Putin, between Putin and Trump. So I'm going to go through these very quickly here, guys. So Putin and Trump. So this is going to probably lead into some more headlines, depending on what is being talked about here in this meeting. So that could be a cause for volatility. Ki Young says that the Bitcoin cycle is actually over, but here's the thing. He says expecting 6 to 12 months of bearish or sideways action. Okay, so if we go to Bitcoin and we zoom out here, we go to the weekly time frame, and I want to ask you something, because I think that people are too, obsessed with this word, bull or bear. Okay, so let me zoom out here on the weekly time frame. Let me ask you, where did the bull market start here? So here at 2023, we were at $25,000 and then $16,000 in 2022. Where did the bull market start? Did it start here in 2022, 2023? Did it start here when Donald Trump won the election in 2024, end of 2024? In my opinion, the bull market started, here at the lower levels. So then what is this period right here? Because in this period, you had about a year of sideways and downwards action. So is this like a bear market within a bull market? That is why I'm telling you, don't be too obsessed with the word bull or bear. I think that what's going to happen here is that until 2026, we are going to slowly have sideways action, and we are going to slowly grind upwards towards 2026. Okay, now the issue here is that we don't know what is going to happen within this volatility. Are we going to go down to 72? Maybe we are. Are we going to go up to 90 and then down to 80 again? Maybe we are. That is why I'm not trying to time these things. I'm just letting my trading strategies do their thing. They make money with this volatility. And even if we do have a mini bear market, like let's say we are in a mini bear market right now, I still think that we are at the lower end of where the prices are going to go. Even though we're only at $80,000, some people are expecting Bitcoin to go down to like 30,000 or 40,000. I don't believe that. Instead, I believe that you're going to see something like this that you saw here in between 2024, where we have sideways action, grinding downwards, but then the continuation of the bull market towards the upside. Okay, that is what I believe. Now, let us talk about the massive interesting stuff here. So, the massive Bitcoin insider whale who has been shorting Bitcoin. First, he shorted Ethereum, made incredible profits on Ethereum going down, closed that short. He added a massive Bitcoin short worth more than $500 million. And we know that there was a lot of people that were trying to get together a lot of money to liquidate this whale. So what ended up happening is that this whale actually doubled down. He added even more to his short, and the P&L fluctuated a lot. At some points, he was up $9 million. At some points, he was down $2 million. So this fluctuated a lot. But in the end, what actually ended up happening is that the whales did not manage to liquidate this whale, and instead, he actually managed to get out at a profit. How much profit did he make? So on the Bitcoin position, he made about $10 million, and then he had about $8 million in profits previously. So call it about $17 million in profit or so, close to $20 million in profit he made here. Even though, and this is very impressive because the whales, the other whales were trying to liquidate him. Massive, powerful people within the crypto space was hunting his position. They wanted to push up the price, and they managed to push up the price a little bit, but not high enough to liquidate this whale. So about $10 million on the Bitcoin trade alone. And now let us talk about the crazy stuff that this whale is doing. So let me go to the beginning here. So about $15 million in USDC in profits as part of the profit was added to a wallet here. And what he then started to do is he actually started to buy Pax Gold. Now, if you don't know what Pax Gold is, it is created by the company Paxos, and it is essentially a token pegged to the gold price. So instead of a stable coin, meaning a token pegged to the US dollar coin or to the US dollar, this is pegged to the gold price. So essentially what he's doing here, and you can see these purchases, like he's doing it over time. So first $500,000, and then he's adding like $1,000 every now and then, but he's accumulating millions of dollars worth of gold. And if you continue here, we can see something else. So he's buying gold, buying even more gold, millions of dollars worth of gold here he's buying. But then we see something very interesting. Look at the top here. He swapped $3.1 million worth of USDC into Ethereum. So you can see overall, this whale had 3,200 Ethereum, about $6 million, and he now put it into Aave. So he's earning a little bit on yield here on, or he's going to use it as collateral or whatever it's going to be. Anyway, he owns a lot of Ethereum at this point. And I will continue to monitor this address, guys. I will continue to see what the whale is doing. Actually, let us do a quick refresh because this is literally happening as I am recording this. You can see like 45 minutes ago, he deposited to Aave here. So he's essentially long Ethereum. As of now, he's long Ethereum and he's long gold. So if you've been looking at this whale and you want to follow everything that he's doing, well, here you have it very, very early. So he's long gold, he's long Ethereum, and that's it really. So I will continue to keep you updated on this massive whale, guys. Tomorrow I will probably not make a video, but I will keep you updated on Twitter. So make sure to follow me on Twitter, Stacker Satoshi. Make sure to take advantage of the massive links down in the description for the best deposit bonuses. And guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.